Hi, my name is Allison Henson, and I teach 5th grade at Byron Elementary School. In rural schools such as Byron Elementary School, general education teachers lack the necessary training to recognize creative and gifted students in their classrooms. I am seeking the funding to create a professional development curriculum to help general education teachers recognize and respond to their creative and gifted students so that they may appropriately challenge and nurture their unique learning needs. Within this professional development training, teachers would learn how diverse populations demonstrate their creativity and giftedness, what methods would be most appropriate to use with students who crave creative stimulation, and other unique needs of these students. As E. Paul Torrance said, creativity is a distinctive trait of human excellence in all domains of behavior. For all educators to serve this human excellence, we must be able to identify and nurture the creative minds of our students. All students of all abilities have the right to a challenging and enriching education. Thank you.